So, I attended University of Nottingham. The school fees for my master's program was £22,850. And most people will be like, but they have a scholarship program called the Developing Solutions Scholarship. And they were awarding 105. So there's a there's a tuition fee, full tuition fee award, which is for 30 people, and there's the 50% tuition fee award for 75 people. I was one of the 75 people that got the 50% tuition fee discount. But my department, my division in the School of Medicine, because I studied Masters of Public Health, and my division was the division of Epidemiology. And the division under the School of Medicine was awarding a bursary award of £4,450 to international students. So together with my Developing Solutions Scholarship, I was able to get a tuition fee discount of about £16,000. Yes. Now for the scholarship, the Developing Solutions Scholarship, I had to apply. I had to fill some essays. Some people don't like it, and I also had a small advantage. My CGPA was 4.59 over 5. So I guess I'm a first classer. I have a first class, so that was an advantage. Not a lot of people have that advantage. They will not be able to get those kind of scholarship, but not to worry. Some schools give automatic scholarship or tuition fee discounts to international students without having to apply. Great, eh? So if you want to know about the schools that give automatic discounts so that you can tailor your application to those schools, you need to keep watching.
Everybody know I'm a visual. Yeah, I kill it cold like a criminal. I'm everybody's type, but nobody can deny. Yes, you know I get it, I'm getting freaky, yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky on, get that freaky on. Get it right.
Hi guys, my name is Omomi, aka Petite Diva, and as I earlier said, I am a University of Nottingham alumni and a Developing Solutions Scholarship Award winner. In this video, we are discussing, or I will be telling you, over 15 schools that give automatic scholarship to international students, especially African students. So if you want to know more about UK student experience, UK student application, especially for postgraduate application, tips and tricks that will help your UK experience be memorable, and also tips and tricks that will help your visa application go smoothly, no stress, no mental stress, then this channel, this series is for you. So don't forget to subscribe, it's free, and also click on the bell notification icon by the side so that you're notified anytime I upload videos. So now let's get into this video. This video is all about schools that give automatic fee reduction or automatic international scholarship. Some you have to apply, just like fill a form. Some you don't have to apply. As you apply for your postgraduate study and apply for your master's, you would qualify for the fee discount. So let's get started. Now the first one is University of Derby. It gives £1,500 to £2,000 fee reduction to international students. We have University of Lincoln that gives £5,000 to African students. They also gave £5,000 discounts to some citizens of some countries such as Czech Republic, Poland. You can check it, it's on their website. Then we have Manchester Metropolitan University. It gives £3,000 pounds discount. We have Edinburgh, Napier University, it gives £2,000. We have Queen Mary University, Belfast, which gives between £2,000 to £3,000. Now, Nottingham Trent University gives £3,000, but you have to apply. If you have a 2-1 and you're from Africa or I think Nigeria, Ghana, I'm not sure about other countries, but I know that there's what they call High Achievers Award. There's the High Achievers Award for Nigeria, there's the High Achievers Award for Ghana. So you just fill in your details. It's after you've gotten an admission, so you just apply, you fill in your details, and you get £3,000. The difference between NTU and probably the others is that the others, when you get your admission, it's already automatically added to your deducted from your school fees. Eventually, if you go to the school, you will see it on your unconditional offer or with your CAS. You see it on your CAS. But this, you have to first get their admission, then you have to fill in the form, and then you have to wait till the scholarship deadline. NTU has like 5 scholarship deadlines, so if you apply before a deadline, you have to wait till after the deadline, then 4 weeks before you are now told, okay, congratulations, you have been awarded the High Achievers Award of £3,000. So that is NTU. Now we have University of Bradford, it gives £5,000 tuition fee discount. University of Chester, £2,000. Hedgehill University, £3,000. University of Salford, which gives £3,000 to £3,500 as its discount. University of Bolton, £1,000 to £3,000. Most of these schools with ranges would give according to the class of your degree. So if you have a first class, you might get a higher one. If you have a second class upper, you might get a higher one, or the middle. So if it is like 1,000 to 3,000, like 1,000 will be for those that have second class lower, 2,000 can be for those that have second class upper, and then 3,000 for those that have a first class. So you have York St. John University, 1,500 to 2,500. You have Teesside University, which is £2,000. You have University of Suffolk, £1,500. You have University of Sutherland, £900. You have Queen's Margaret University, Edinburgh, which gives £2,000. We have Staffordshire University, which gives £2,000. University of Wolverhampton, £1,000 to £2,000. Like I said, depending on your class of degree. And then you have Beaumont University, which gives £3,500. So that is a total of 19 schools that I mentioned that give automatic discount. Getting a school that gives automatic fee discount will also help you in paying for your remaining school fees if you want to, if you need to do that in the UK. And it's one of the things that I tell people to look out for that can help when they ask me, can I pay my tuition fee while schooling? So if you want to know my answer to that question, you need to check out my next video. I'm going to discuss what I'm going to discuss it in that question in full, and things you can do to help or not to help. The full answer. Most of the time when you get the question, it's like, can I not? So you need to subscribe if you want to know the answer from my point of view, as someone who has gone there, someone who's in the whole system of helping people to achieve their dream of getting a UK education. So you need to subscribe and also click on that bell notification icon by the side so that you're notified when I upload the video. Now, if you liked this video, if this video was very helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any other question that you want me to answer, please leave your question in the comment section. I might answer it directly, or I might do a video talking about it in a larger detail. So please feel free to leave your comments in the comment section, your questions in the comment section. I would be checking it out. Now, if you are not yet subscribed, like I told you, you need to subscribe because you're not going to get this information I'm sharing anywhere else. That I can guarantee. So that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.